All right, so it is time for us to read what we have for the logged in user. So meaning, at the moment someone gets to layers, we should be able to display what should be in the table of layers, okay? So we should be able to display the feeds, the eggs, okay? The sales, profits, and whatsoever. So I do think I'll generalize the birds with the feeds as it is, then take these others selected differently, because I want the user to be able to see this, let's say, number of birds here and the feeds in one table. So maybe I can rename. Then I can also check the eggs, number of trays collected, then now the sales and profits here. So how many sales have you made, and then the profits based on the eggs that you have. I don't know how I'll calculate that, but we shall find a way. All right, so let's be able to read. And before we read, I need a view X store. So we're going to go to our Google, and then we type Vuex or install Vuex. Install Vuex. Okay. So Vuex installation, install Vuex save. I don't know if I need to look through the versions, but since I've ever used it, okay, so it's coming back using our code gripper. So let me see. Here is those of you who want to use the CDN, okay? So install, this is for version 4, okay? So if I read, I think, let me go to version 3 and see what's given for us. This is a doc for Vuex3, which works with Vue 2. If you are looking for docs of Vuex4, which works with Vue 3, do this and this. Right, so me, I'm going to install, I think, Vuex for Vue. Okay. So, at next save, hope I can install direct, but I'll do install Vuex the other ordinary way so that it doesn't take in the latest version. So let me come in here and then choose to npm install Vuex save, so which I'm going to put in one of my package managers. Or no, I'll put in this. So I just pray it installs version 3, or else I'll have to, but I can't install version 4. So I'll go to my package.json, and then we are going to return. It's supposed to come under dependencies. Hope it doesn't take long. So meanwhile, as we install Vuex, we can go for a short break, take some tea, then return. All right, so it's giving the legacy dependencies, and I need to add the word force. So save and then force. Okay. So hope I don't get version 4, or else I think I'll need to specify which will be install. Okay, it has installed version 4. I think it has installed version 4. Which won't work. So we're going to do npm remove, then we shall specify which version, okay? Npm remove, okay. Then we're going to do another npm install, okay? Then I put at 3. I don't need to force, maybe. I don't need to force, but let's go with that. Okay, Vuex 3.62 is installed for us. Right, so we can go ahead and work. Oh, sorry, I pressed save there. We can go ahead and work with Vuex 3, where we're going to have our routes and make requests. But before we do that, we can make a single Axios request. Already Axios is installed by default when we're installing our, it's a dependency when we're installing our development. So we can go to non-stats, and we can go to layers, and then we're going to make a method. Okay, so let's go for a short break, then we come back and see what we can do.